July 2025, we are heading towards something big. Actually big. Women, IMA, women in IMA. No, I'm not talking about women you are going to call at your IMA ball party. Then what do I mean? IMA is going to train women cadets. Yes, you heard it right. But how do we reach so far? Hi, I'm Shivani Soni and I welcome you to this episode. And to understand how women reach to the IMA training camp, you need to understand and know one chronology. Rewind back to 1932 when Indian Military Academy IMA was brought up with the idea of training men into officers, turning men into officers. And after that, for decades, military was dominated by male officers only. The whole idea of women in combat roles was nothing but unthinkable, right? And IMA stood up with the same tradition. Alright, but then times change and so do the mindset. We see induction of women officers in Indian Army through Officers Training Academy. But they were given only selected roles, say medical corps, logistics, education corps, and they were awarded with short service commission. That means their service tenure usually ranged between 5 years to 14 years. That means they were completely barred off from retirement and pension benefits. Alright, that means women were in game, but they were not calling out the shots. But the biggest breakthrough happened in August 2022 when National Defence Academy NDA opened up for the women candidates. But why did this happen? Because of historic ruling of Supreme Court in 2021 saying
Government lawyer tells Supreme Court that service chiefs and government have decided that girls will be given permanent commission
Supreme
through
Court has
NDA
ruled
and
in an
Naval
interim order that
Academy.
women can now take admission examinations for NDA of the National Defence Academy.
allow women candidates for NDA exams conducted by UPSC. Then what? Women gave NDA, women cleared NDA, and women went to NDA. 126 women candidates entered in NDA. Yes, 5 dropped off later, but then rest of the women candidates continued their training at NDA. Now, NDA is the foundation institution where they train candidates for 3 years and then they hand it over to the respective training academies for other forces, for all 3 forces. Alright, while they were training in the NDA, Indian Army was also evolving. Women were getting permanent commissions, women were also offered command roles, which went controversial and viral last year after Lieutenant General Rajiv Puri's letter. I have covered this issue. This is important. Women in command roles, there are dark consequences, there are dark secrets, and opinions of Lieutenant Puri is very important if you are a defense aspirant. You can check this video out later. I have provided link in the description. Alright, coming back to this video. Indian Army was evolving and now the 3-year course of NDA is completing this year. 18 women candidates are in their final term at NDA, and out of 18, 8 selected Indian Army for their further service. So now complete onus goes to armed NDA for their further training. IMA is ready for that. Are you ready? IMA has got separate accommodation for women candidates, but yes, they will be trained together with male counterparts. See, you are in the era of a big revolution. You are seeing a big revolution. You are the evidence of this revolution, right? Till this date, cadets at the IMA were known as gentlemen cadets, GCs, but now they will be called as officer cadets. You are spotting gender neutrality here. Indian Army is actually evolving. Alright, complete affair is important for you and me? Because SSB interview will ask you this question. There is lot happening in Indian Army about gender equality, gender neutrality and all. As in when women are getting more room in the forces, there is room for debates also. There will be room for consequences also. Whenever we start something new, whenever there is a changes are always hard. For you make it easy. There will be loopholes, there will be consequences, there will be backlashes about this decision altogether. There will be so many people who will call this as a bad decision. What do you call this decision as? क्या ये अच्छा आइडिया है women in IMA? क्या ये जेंडर इक्वालिटी को प्रमोट करेगा या डिस्ट्रैक्शन लेकर आएगा इन NDA एंड इन IMA? सो दिस अफेयर इज इम्पोर्टेंट. तुम्हारा ओपिनियन मैटर करेगा इन SSB इंटरव्यूज. ओपिनियन फ्रेम करने के लिए यू शुड बी हैविंग अ डीप रूटेड नॉलेज अबाउट द कंप्लीट थिंग. ऑलराइट, SSB से पहले how about the idea of becoming a very deserving candidate who clears all the written exams? Say NDA, say CDS, say AFCAT. I have brought a complete self-study program जहाँ पे मैंने NCERT के highlights दिए हैं, स्टैंडर्ड बुक की समरीज दी हैं, लेक्चर्स बनाए हैं, पर्सनल नोट्स शेयर करे हैं, क्विज बैंक दिया हुआ है, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस का एनालिसिस करा हुआ है. अ कंप्लीट पैकेज व्हिच अ कैंडिडेट एन एस्पायरेंट नीड टू गो थ्रू बिफोर दे अपीयर फॉर दैट रिटन एग्जाम्स. अगर इसको एक बार सबने गो थ्रू कर लिया ना, देखो देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट. इफ यू ट्रूली वांट टू बिकम अ डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट जिस पे कोई शक ना हो कि इसका क्लियर नहीं हो सकता, उसके लिए एक बार शिद्दत से मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. उसके बाद रिविजन तुम 1 महीने में 2 महीने में कर सकते हो टू क्लियर योर फर्दर एग्जाम्स. इफ यू वांट टू बिकम दिस डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट, एक बार इस तरीके से मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, एक बार इस तरीके से पढ़ना पड़ेगा. बट येस, टाइम कहाँ बचाया जा सकता है? आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड यू विद ऑल दी सोर्सेज, आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड यू विद ऑल दी लेक्चर्स. अब बस मेहनत तुम्हारे हिस्से में. टू गेट एनरोल्ड इन दिस सेल्फ स्टडी प्रोग्राम, लिंक्स आर इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. ऐप का लिंक मिल जाएगा, ऐप पे ही सेल्फ स्टडी कोर्सेज मिल जाएंगे. बट दिस कुड बी एक्सपेंसिव यार, 1700 and this is one time cost. Rest is your decision. All right, I'll sign off here. I'm Shivani Soni. What is your view about this women in IMA? Do let me know in the comment section. Stay curious, stay good. Like the ladies who hit the IMA training campus.